A person suffering from a latent condition is typically asymptomatic until the latent physical or mental illness presents itself. But what if another person's negligent actions speed up the presentation of symptoms? In Steinhauser versus Hertz Corporation, the court answered whether a person can be held liable if his or her negligent actions precipitated another person's latent condition. In 1964, 14-year-old Cynthia Steinhauser was riding in a car with her parents. Louis Ponzini hit the family's car after he crossed over a double yellow line. No one was physically injured in the crash. However, within a few minutes after the crash, Cynthia began acting in an unusual way. Cynthia looked glassy-eyed and acted agitated and disturbed. When Ponzini approached the family, Cynthia started to jump up and down and had to be restrained by her father. After leaving the accident, Cynthia got a headache and stopped communicating. Over the next few days, Cynthia began hallucinating and attempted suicide. Cynthia was diagnosed with schizophrenia, and her parents were told that she didn't have a good prognosis. In the years before the car crash, Cynthia had previously shown some psychiatric symptoms, including depression. However, Cynthia never presented with extreme psychiatric symptoms until after the car crash. Cynthia's father brought a negligence lawsuit on Cynthia's behalf against Hertz Corporation, the legal owner of Ponzini's car. During the trial, a doctor testified that Cynthia had a predisposition to schizophrenia, but the crash acted as the precipitating cause that triggered her schizophrenia to manifest. The doctor believed that prior to the crash, Cynthia had a pre-psychotic personality. However, Cynthia might have been able to have a normal life if the crash hadn't happened. In contrast, Hertz's expert witness testified that Cynthia was already schizophrenic at the time of the car crash. The district court judge instructed the jury that if there was a logical relationship between the accident and Cynthia's psychotic injuries, then the jury should find in favor of Cynthia. However, if the jury believed that Cynthia was already schizophrenic, then Hertz wasn't liable. The district court jury found in favor of Hertz. Cynthia appealed.